The brain of iPhone 13, a 15 bionic chip, intelligence, nature, and responsibility. This is the actual meat of this subject. A mobile has many chips in its texture, doing its own allotted duty, which we will see as we proceed along. Hello friends, welcome once again. In our earlier videos, we spoke about the iPhone as a whole, and then about its display, where light, glass, and touch work in harmony with nature. Today, we go deeper inside the phone to understand its brain. This brain is called the A15 bionic chip. What is a chip, really? Let us begin with a simple question. What is a chip? A chip is not magic. It is not intelligence by itself. A chip is simply a thinking tool designed by humans using laws that already exist in nature. The A15 chip controls how fast your phone works, how smoothly apps open, how photos are processed, how battery power is saved, how secure your data remains. Without this chip, the iPhone would be like a body without a brain. From sand to intelligence, now comes the most humbling truth. The A15 chip is made mainly from silicon, and silicon comes from sand. Sand is found everywhere, on beaches, in deserts, under our feet. So ask yourself, did humans create intelligence, or did humans discover how to shape nature? Nature gave silicon. Nature gave electricity. Nature gave mathematical laws. Man only studied patiently and rearranged what already existed. This should always keep us humble. Billions of tiny decisions. Inside this tiny chip are billions of microscopic switches called transistors. Each transistor is either on or off. Nothing more. But when billions of such decisions happen every second, complex thinking emerges. Just like our brain, one neuron is simple, but billions together create memory, emotion, and thought. That is why Apple uses the word bionic, not because the chip is alive, but because it works inspired by life. CPU, GPU, and neural engine, a team. The A15 chip is not one single worker. It is a team. CPU handles general thinking and decision-making. GPU handles graphics, images, and video. Neural engine handles learning-like tasks. Each does what it is best at. Nature also works this way. In the human body, the heart does not think. The brain does not pump blood. The lungs do not digest food. Specialization creates efficiency. Neural engine, inspired by the human brain. Now let us focus on the neural engine. Why is it called neural? Because it is inspired by neurons, the cells in our brain. This part of the chip helps with Face ID, photo clarity, language recognition, voice commands, predictive typing. It recognizes patterns. But here is a very important truth. It does not understand meaning. It does not have emotions. It does not have conscience. It only follows what humans program. So intelligence without values can never be wisdom. Speed with responsibility. The A15 chip is extremely fast, but speed alone is not progress. A fast car without brakes is dangerous. A fast mind without ethics is destructive. That is why Apple also focuses on energy efficiency, privacy, on-device processing. The chip tries to do more work using less energy. This aligns with nature's principle, minimum waste, maximum efficiency. Power consumption and balance. The A15 chip is built using very tiny structures measured in nanometers. Smaller size means less heat, less power consumption, longer battery life. Nature again teaches us this lesson. The most efficient systems in nature are often the smallest. Ants, cells, atoms. Small does not mean weak. Technology and morality. Now let us pause and reflect. If intelligence can be created from sand, what matters more? The chip or the mind that uses it? Technology is neutral. It can educate, heal, connect, or it can deceive, addict, manipulate. The A15 chip gives power. Human values decide direction. A gentle warning. We must remember, no chip can replace compassion, wisdom, empathy, self-control. If humans forget these, no technology can save us. Progress without humanity is not progress. It is danger. Closing thoughts. The A15 bionic chip is a miracle not because it is artificial, but because it reflects natural laws. Sand becomes silicon. Silicon becomes logic. Logic becomes tools. But the final decision always rests with humans. Use technology to uplift, not to exploit. Use intelligence with humility. In our next video, we will talk about energy, the battery, and learn why balance matters more than power. Thank you for listening.